Good morning. It's Monday the 26th. I'm having my eggs with the bacon and onions and cheese and some of the those tomatoes on it. I like those sun-dried tomatoes. We had snow last night, so I don't know what's going to happen today, whether I'll be going to Mom's. I'm really not sure. It's kind of all up in the air right now. I'm just going to see how much gets shoveled. So I don't know. All right, bye. Hey there, let me update you with what's going on. I've been kind of sinusy and stuff since Saturday. Ethically, I didn't feel comfortable going to a couple appointments I have coming up and being around the family without knowing for sure what's going on. So I told my boss I've got symptoms, and I just went into work and got tested, and I'm positive for COVID. It just, like I said, it just feels like a bad sinus infection, with the drainage and coughing. My family, today's the day we're having Christmas. And so my family said they are okay with me coming over. I'll be wearing my N95 mask. Anyway, so I don't know. We're just going to play it by ear. But it is 11 o'clock right now, and I'm going to eat lunch. And I plan on going over to Mom's around 1-ish. So that way I'm there for the Christmas and the eating and all that stuff. I will be taking my lasagna, like I took, like we've been talking about. And so I'll have my lasagna, and we will see where it goes from there. So I feel like Typhoid Terry instead of Typhoid Mary. So anyway, so yeah, because I've been around the family for the past 2 days. So we'll see what happens. Yeah, so as far as work goes, when you test positive, you can't come back to work for 5 days. So fortunately, it was my office that I got tested at, so I grabbed my laptop and brought it home. So I will be working from home on Thursday and Friday. Anyway, that's what I know, and let's get on to my lunch. Microwave just beeped. We had more snow, and the roads are still covered. So, like I said, I did drive to work, and I did okay. But I'm waiting to go all the way to Jackson, Mom's house, till 1 o'clock for a couple of reasons. One, if I go over early, then I have to close off the dog door, and then I may have to come back and let them out. Whereas if I go about 1 o'clock, then the dogs will be okay until I get home around 7 or 8. So that's the game plan. So I'm eating lunch here at my house, and this looks like it was deep fried steaks that I made a couple weeks ago. It's pretty hot, so I'm not going to take a bite. And then it looks like I've got the zucchini to go with it. So that's going to be my lunch, and I'll update you as I know more about the day and the situation. Supper is my cabbage with some poppy seed dressing and my rutabaga lasagna. Hello, I'm home from Mom's, and I was just going to show you what I got for Christmas. My sister got me, look, it's some pajama pants. It's got a puppy dog on it, and then there's puppy dogs on the pants. I had mentioned that I was low on lounge pants, so she got me some. Like, yay! So anyway, so I got some fun winter lounge pants. And I'll show you what all I got for Christmas. Hang on. Alright. So my mom went to, evidently there's a painter named Terry Redlin. I don't know him, but so she bought us all these 2023 calendars. And it's filled with his paintings. So like there's the January one. There's a February one. He's a good artist. March. April. June. Anyway, so it's really pretty. I'm going to take this to work with me. It even came in its own cover. Like it's like an album cover. So, anyway, so I got a calendar. So I'm going to hang that up at work. It's really pretty. And then, I'll just set it right here for now. And then, let's see. Well, let me go this route. And, and the sister got me these pajamas. She got me the cutest lounge coin purse. It's a little zipper, and it says Dog Mom. Isn't that perfect? Yep, it's perfect. It's me. I love it. And then, so that was from that sister. Then the other sister, she got us a candle. Oh, I'm holding it up for you to sniff. Sniff it. It smells like cinnamon. And then she got us a gift card, one of those American Express gift cards. And then Mom, she got us these pretty scarves. This will be perfect to wear with my long black coat. So a nice scarf. You know, I don't know how to wear scarves because I'm just not used to this whole cold thing. And so my sister from Pittsburgh, she was like, here, this is how you do it. She's like, you know, obviously like this. And she says, if you do that, then she's like, it keeps your neck warm. I'm like, oh. In the past, I've only worn scarves like this because I'm wearing it as a fashion statement, never as warmth. So anyway, so yeah. So Mom got us that. And then the calendar. And then she gave us a card and some monies. So anyway, it was a great time with the family. I may have a picture. I'm not sure. If I am able to, I'll slip it in. If I don't have one, then I won't. But anyway, so yeah. So it was fun. It was fun seeing the kids. Mom got all of her grandkids Fontanini set for Christmas, like my Christmas set. She's got them the basic set and wrote each of them a nice letter from her and my dad who passed away. But she's, you know, that was kind of her way of spreading on the tradition of each of them will be able to set out their own little manger scene. So anyway, so yeah, we had our Christmas tonight. I had my lasagna and the cabbage salad. And tomorrow I think is the taco bar. The taco bar she talked about. And so I just have one meal out for tomorrow for lunch, so I'll eat that, and then I will eat supper with them. So, okay, see you later. Bye. These are the hats that I made for the nieces and nephews, and I gave it to them, so they all let me take a picture of them wearing their hats.
Inside of each of yours is a letter to you from me, okay? Yeah, well, no, you're not gonna cry. But, and in it you'll see that it's from Papa and I both. He's not here now, but this is what he would want you to have. And you'll see kind of why as you read it and everything, okay?
So unwrap it.
Yeah, you can unwrap it. Yeah.
I just want to make sure I understood the rules correctly. You gotta keep the bow.
That's a nice bow.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, get that back over here.
Come on, I got you a present. It's me.
Oh. Oh, thank you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
No, I haven't.
I know we're lost. You just lights up. That's even cuter. Oh, it lights up. We sat the same thing.
Alright, unbox it, somebody's gotta do it.
Oh, yeah, oh, you're gonna do it. Open your lid though, John.
Camera's got it.
Oh.
Open your lid. Put your letter. No, leave your letter tape there. And the reason I say it is I would like for you to leave your letter tape so that when you put it out next year, 5 years from now, whatever, you can read it again.
Okay. So just get the letter out of it?
Yeah, just slip the letter out of it.
You're so thoughtful, Grandma.
Cool. When I saw them, I thought, these kids all need one of these. We have one and your mamas have one, so I just thought you all needed one.
Baby Jesus.
Josh, did you already
Josh,
read
did you
yours?
get one?
Did you read your letter?
No, I didn't know. I couldn't tell if she meant like save it
No.
and read it.
No. I want
When you're alone in your bed.
Yeah, I don't know.
Tucked
It's
in.
like a
And here's a picture of the kids with Mom holding up their little manger scene. All right, good night. Merry Christmas.